Now this is a First Coast Railroad swing bridge built in 1926 by the Vermont Bridge Company. Was used for the Seaboard Airline Railway. It's a deck plate girder bridge, a swing bridge over the Marys River, located in between Kingsland, Georgia, and Yulee, Florida. So I believe this bridge is fixed in place. It used to swing for, like for boats and ships, and it swung back for train traffic, but now it's fixed, used for, train traffic, and doesn't operate any longer. So it's old. See, look at this bridge, all the details on it and everything. So this bridge is again built in 1926 and by the Mount Vernon Bridge Company. It used to use for the Seaboard Airline Railroad. And so it's located between Kingsland, Georgia, and Yulee, Florida.